they see ties and they're like, oh man, I got to get that on. And then now you got a whole gang of boys trying to get these ties on, and they taking pride in it. Idea from the program came from Mr. Stovall and I believe Mr. Danny Crothers. They kind of put it together because they wanted to design a program to help fit the young man in this building. I was fortunate enough to kind of put my stamp on it as well and kind of really push it. Went from just being a boys to man program to a boys to man challenge. And that's kind of where we are now. We challenging these boys to be young men. I think the tie is like, it kind of puts out the alpha. When you see a man with a tie on, not only does women like it, but men respect it. So it's a pride thing. And I think the boys see grown men in ties, and a lot of them are fearful because they've never seen a man in a tie. So they see that as a high level of significance. So what better way than to implement a program to allow them boys to feel significant as well. The boys love to see volunteers in. They love to see people in the building that's stepping up to the challenge as well. I think that's a big community thing. The more men we get in the building, the better off. When the boys see the WKU football players coming in, they're just like, wow, like they're stars, you know, just like Alpha Phi Alpha. They're our future teachers and lawyers and et cetera. And when they see, once again, when they see men come in with ties on, it's a high level of significance. When I chose this career path, I never did think I would be running a program like this. I was just trying to get a few boys. Of course, I was coaching at the high school. I was like, so, man, I gotta get these boys to college. Well, then I left, and now I'm like, man, I gotta get these boys from the junior high to high school so they know. Then I left there, and now I'm like, man, I gotta get these boys in elementary school through life. And that's kind of where I woke up at, is like, wow. That's the goal. Of course, like I spend a lot of time dealing with behaviors in Parker-Bennett, and then when I'm able to point out the good in the kids who actually made that change, we want to be able to point them out and recognize them. If I had like a gold tie to give to them, I would do that. I mean, it's a blessing to see these boys just step up to that challenge and change, because a lot of times kids dig themselves into holes in the school and they don't never have a second chance. And to see these boys come back from being in trouble to staying out of trouble, it's amazing.